After 30 days of getting monetized, I finally checked my YouTube studio and what I saw shocked me. Was it big or peanut? You are about to find out my real earnings live on screen. So, if you have ever wondered how much YouTube pays small creators living in Nigeria or anywhere around the world, this particular video will give you a deep insight on how much YouTube actually pays small YouTubers, especially in Nigeria. Just 1 month ago, I got accepted into YouTube partner program and I started uploading several videos, which some of the videos actually did well and most of them did not. Some of the videos actually flopped. So in this particular video, I'm going to be breaking down to you how much I have earned so far within my first 30 days of getting monetized. But before we dive in, welcome back to VideoRes Official. In this channel, we talk about YouTube growth and how to make money online. So if today's happen to be the first time you are visiting our channel, make sure to like this video, drop your comment in the comment section, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. So as promised, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into my here on my YouTube studio. Let's look at my channel analytics. Okay, so as you can see right here, I got 50,350 views in the last 28 days. Note, we are going to show our 30 days, like the exact 30 days, because today makes it the exact 30 days since I got monetized, and that's what we are about to be looking at in this particular video. Like I said, I got 50,350 views in the last 28 days and I got 2.5k watch time hours within the last 28 days. I also got 1.7k subscribers within the last 28 days. And for the revenue, before we go to the revenue, let me walk you through my top videos, my RPM and other things before we finally look at the estimated revenue. So my top content in this period is this particular video right here. So let's see how much this particular video gave me. Let me go to content. So this is the video right here. Oh, okay, as you can see right here, this video has gotten 8,409 views since it was published. You see, this particular video has gotten 8,409 views since I published this particular video, and the video gave me 498.9 watch time hours, and this particular video also got me 315 subscribers with estimated revenue of $16.19. $16.19. This is what I actually got from this particular video, and if you check right there, it shows that this video got 1,750 views within the last 48 hours. It has gotten 1,750 views. And okay, let's check the traffic source of this particular video. Let's come right here. How viewers found this particular video, you can see external source. I have 33.3% views through external sources, and which gave me 2.8k views. Then 30.6% of views comes from YouTube recommendation. That means YouTube actually recommends this video to a lot of people, because I got 2.6k views from YouTube recommendations, and I got 28.6% views from YouTube home. So this means that many people actually find these particular videos on their YouTube home. Like when they go to YouTube, they also see this particular video among the list of video that YouTube shows to them. So I got 2.6k from there, and as you can see all this one, let's go back. So let's look at another video. Let's look at this other particular video right here. Okay, this particular video got just 1165 views since it was published, and the video got just 48.3 hours watch time with 31 subscribers. So this video generated $3.70 as you can see right here, and it got only 256 views within the last 48 hours. You can see the top traffic source. So let's see. Okay, let's go back to the first video. Let's go and check how much advertiser actually pays for that particular video. Let's go back and check it. Let's go to the revenue and see how much advertisers pay. Okay, from this video I got $15.77 from ads, from watch paid ads, and $0.43 from membership, meaning that some people actually join my membership through this particular video. So let's see why this earnings seems to be low. Okay, let me go back. I already saw what I wanted. Let's see. So as you can see right here, this is why the earnings of this video is quite low, because advertisers only paid $3. You see, so your earnings on YouTube depends on the kind of videos and how much the advertiser pays, including the location of that particular video. If most of your viewers comes from Nigeria or any other African countries, your earnings will definitely be low. So you can see right here, advertisers pay just $3, and also on this video I earned $2.28 per 1,000 views. Like each 1,000 views I got on this particular video, it will earn me $2.28. That's why it's low. So I didn't make my okay. Let's look at the audience of this particular video. Let's look at the audience. The device types, you can see mobile phone 97.9%. Most of my viewers are using phone. 1.4% use computer, 0.5 use tablet, and 0.2 watch on TV. So that's it. Gender, female tops here. Females are the highest numbers of people that watch this particular video, with 52.8% and 47.2% male. You can see the age right here. Can see, and let's look at top geographies, which is the countries. You see, this is why I'm not earning big on this particular video, because my top views comes from Nigeria. Like the highest numbers of views I get from this video comes from Nigeria, and followed by 3 others African countries. You can see UK. I didn't mean it's UK that top here. I will have earned that 16 point something dollar would have reached like 30 to $40 on this particular video. I didn't mean it was UK that top or any other European country. So that's why my earnings is quite low on that particular video. So which other video are we going to check again before we finally look at my total revenue? So let's see this particular video again. I'm sure on my last video I bring out this particular video. Let's look at it again. You can see this particular video got 7,188 views since it was published, and it gained me 664.8 hours watch time with 468 subscribers. So this particular video gave me an estimated revenue of $14.35, as you can see. Also, let's check how much advertisers actually pay on this particular video. Let's check. Let's look at it right here. Okay, let me go back. Revenue. Let's see. This one is even way higher than the other one. This one is almost $4. So advertisers pays $3.72 for this particular video, and I earn $2.00 per 1,000 views. Which other things you will check again? Let's look at, okay, there's one particular video I would love to check before we now review my earnings. Let's see this particular video right here. So this particular video gained 12,517 views since it was published, and it gave me 821.1 watch time hours with 675 subscribers, and this particular video earned me $12.85. So without wasting much of our time, let's look at exactly how much YouTube paid me in total. So let's go down to the analytics again. Boom. As you can see, okay, this is last 28 days. For me to make it show the last 30 days, I will have to change it from here. Let's see. Yes, this is my estimated revenue, what I earned in this particular, okay, within the 30 days that I got monetized. I earned $115.28. This is the exact amount I have made on YouTube in the past 30 days that I got monetized. So let's look at this particular amount right here in Naira, how much it will be. Let's look at it in Naira. Let me change it to Naira. Let me change it. Okay, look at it here. Let me change it to Naira so that we see. Naira. Okay, Nigerian Naira. Let's look at the amount in Nigerian Naira. You see, so in my first 30 days of getting monetized on YouTube, I earned the total sum of 177,359 naira 25 kobo. So what do you think? Is it big, or okay, is it too small for a starter like me? Because I'm just a new YouTuber, and besides, if you check this amount of money right here, many people, even some lecturers, are not earning up to this amount. Some lecturers in Nigeria are not earning up to this amount monthly, and these are people that work every single day tirelessly. They have not earned up to this amount. I know it's nothing, but I'm just growing, understand? So it's very quite impressive though. Those are many people's own will be higher than this. This depends on the audience and the videos that they have, understand? Besides, I don't have any viral video on my channel yet. I don't have any videos that went viral. So this is, I think this is not really bad. I think it's not really bad. And what do you have to say about this? You can drop it on the comment section if this amount of money is too small or it's more bigger than you were expected. So let me know this on the comment section. So if you're a small YouTuber or you just get monetized after watching this particular video, I believe you have now seen how much I have made on my first 30 days on YouTube as a monetized YouTuber, and I believe this will give you a motivation to focus on your channel by staying consistent, uploading quality and engaging videos, and some kind of tips that you really need to apply to your channel for you to grow higher. So I am sure that there is no extra secret out there than making quality videos, making the videos that is helpful, like very informative to people. Consistency really matters in YouTube. So if this video helps you, make sure to like this video, share it to others people so that YouTube can recommend it to others creators, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. Peace.